Hi everyone. We will see how to get Informatica PowerCenter software in this video. Okay. Maybe you are looking for Informatica PowerCenter software to install in your system and to practice. So, but you don't have any clue where to get the software and all. I'm going to guide you how to get the software, how to install, and what are all the prerequisites to install Informatica PowerCenter. In case if you are getting any issues while installing, whom to contact. So that all I will tell you in this video. Please watch carefully till the end. Okay. Yeah, let's go ahead. You may be having a question where to get Informatica PowerCenter software. What are all the prerequisites to install Informatica PowerCenter? How to install Informatica PowerCenter? Whom to contact in case of any installation issues or errors? Okay, let's address all these questions one by one. First thing, where to get Informatica software? Okay, since we need to buy the license, okay. If you need a full-fledged software, you need to purchase it from Informatica. But tutorial versions are available for your practice. So if you want, we will provide the tutorial version for free, and also uh, we will provide the prerequisites. Means you need Oracle software, you need Oracle database to be installed in your system to install Informatica PowerCenter software. So we will also provide Oracle as a free software. Okay. And we will also help you to install Oracle. And then we will also help you install Informatica PowerCenter in your system. So we will let you know all the steps. Okay. How to install Informatica PowerCenter. We will let you know all the steps. We will guide you through all the steps. So don't worry. And in case of any installation issues or errors, feel free to contact us at any point of time. You know, we are providing all these softwares for free, but since we need to spend some time if you get any installation issues or errors, so for that we are charging a minimal amount. Okay, because we are going to spend, if you get any issues while installing, we need to we need to connect with you and spend at least one hour. So since we are spending some time, we are charging some amount here. So hope that is affordable to you. Okay. So you can feel free to contact us for more issues. Okay. Let me show you where to get the software, how we are providing the software for free. Okay. So I'll guide you through. Just go to the classicode.com. This is our website. Go to the courses. Here you'll see Informatica PowerCenter software installation support. Just click on this one. You will see the support fee. Okay. So we will guide you through the installation process. And if you face any issues, we will support you. Okay. So you can purchase this for only $199. You can add to basket. If you haven't registered with us, please register first. Then go to add to basket. Okay. You can check out. Okay. You can check out. Since I have entered 2, here I can reduce this. Okay. I can go to cart, view cart. I need only 1 here. Update basket. Just $199. Proceed to checkout, and you will enter your email address. If you are doing it for the first time, enter your email address. You can create your password, confirm password, and login. Once you do that, you will get access to this one. Okay, you will get access to this. Okay, let me show you logging in. After getting that, what all you will get: Informatica PowerCenter software for free, Oracle software for free, but installation support, just we are charging $199 to support you with all your installation issues, to make sure you have a smooth installation. Okay. Yeah. So you will get, you will unlock these things. Okay. Oracle database prerequisite, Informatica PowerCenter, the steps, all the steps in the video format. And then you'll also see Oracle database installation and Informatica PowerCenter installation videos you will see. And before that, you are going to get links for Oracle database and Informatica PowerCenter. So you can download it from these links. As of now, it is locked because I haven't logged in. Once you log in and once you purchase this product, these are unlocked. You can go and download the software. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much. For more, please contact us.